Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmate. My topic for today is all about Elopiformes. Tarpon, along with bonefish and ladyfish, are primitive fishes, and while tarpon and ladyfish are considered to be more closely related to each other than to any other elopomorph group, their distinct lineages extend more than 100 million years back in the fossil record. The structure of the skull, fin placement, and large thick scales are characteristic of ancient fishes. Tarpon and ladyfish are united by the common possessions of a leptocephalus larvae and a variety of primitive features. The leptocephalus larvae is shared with a diverse group of other elopomorph fishes, including the eels. However, the leptocephalus larvae of tarpon and ladyfish are the smallest of all leptocephali and possesses a forked tail. Leptocephali of same Elopiformes also have forked tail. The order Elopiformes contain two families, the Elopidae and the Megalopidae. The family Megalopidae contains the single genus Megalops. Two species of tarpon exist worldwide. The Atlantic tarpon occurs in the eastern and western Atlantic, and the ox-eye tarpon occurs in the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Morphologically, the two species are quite similar. However, the Atlantic tarpon reaches a much larger size and can exceed 220 lb or 100 kg and a length of over 6.6 feet or 2 meter. The ox-eye tarpon is smaller and seldom exceeds 3.3 feet. Characteristics. These are silver, elongate, herring-like fishes with large upturned mouths, large eyes, and deeply forked tails. An important structural character is the presence of a long bony gular plate between the branches of the lower jaw, a feature that the ladyfish shares with the tarpon but not with herring. Distribution. The Megalopidae and the Elopidae occur worldwide in tropical and subtropical seas. Habitat. Tarpon and ladyfish are coastal in habitat and often occur in estuarine waters. Both tarpon and ladyfish are quite tolerant of low salinities. Tarpon commonly enter freshwater and often travel far up freshwater rivers and enter lakes far from sea. Behavior. Tarpon and ladyfish are pelagic predators that feed principally on mid-water prey. Both have small sandpaper-like teeth and their prey is swallowed whole. They often occur in large schools in shallow coastal and inshore waters. Reproductive biology. Both tarpon and ladyfish spawn offshore in high salinity oceanic waters. Precise spawning areas are unknown and fertilized eggs are undescribed. Tarpon and ladyfish are broadcast spawners that produce large numbers of buoyant eggs that float in the surface water of the ocean. The eggs hatch into the distinctive leptocephalus larvae characterized by an elongate laterally compressed body consisting principally of an acellular mucinous material, large well-developed eyes, and large fang-like teeth. Larvae of tarpon and ladyfish reach a length of from 1.0 to 2.0 inches or 25 to 50 mm. Before metamorphosis, metamorphosis occurs as the larvae enter coastal waters and pass through inlets into the inshore waters where juveniles are found. Feeding ecology and diet. Small tarpon feed predominantly on cyclopod, copepods, fishes, carrigan, shrimp, and mosquito larvae. No detailed studies have examined the feeding habits of large tarpon, but anecdotal information suggests that a wide variety of fishes are consumed. Ladyfish feed principally in midwater on pelagic prey. Feeding is mainly on fish, but decapod crustaceans also are consumed. Occurs in coastal waters but enters lagoons and estuaries. Actual freshwater records remain to be confirmed. Bentopelagic young and adults feeds on small fishes and crustaceans, probably spawn at sea, but the transparent larvae migrate to inshore areas and are often found in brackish water, are voracious carnivores that take fish, squid, and shrimp bait, edible but not tasty and full of bones.